Oh man, on a mission. Oh shit, don't take me out.
I got him, don't worry.
Thumper, Sean, there's a thumper. Oh my god, we're so dead. I know, yeah, good.
Where's the thumper? Where's the thumper?
Oh shit! Good shot. I'm glad I didn't walk in front of
Alright, boys, we need to find loot. We don't give up.
What about the others? Where are they? Yeah.
They put you down.
Oh shit! Shoot the arse bug! Shoot the arse bug!
Where?
Yeah!
I'm guessing that was last shell.
I got one more.
We need to find the mine. We need to find the mines.
I think the guy's up there tweaking, bro. He's tweaking.
Nah, you been chilling.
Oh shit!
Oh shit. Yeah, just stay together, we're fine.
No, like the thing. The guy's coming.
The butler so we can hit the knife.
Butler.
Oh.
Oh wait.
Fucking tanked it!
We have a bigger problem.
Why is he pissed on that?
Tim?
Oh shit, Chuck, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Look, kinda wish he was 6'3", another holiday, I gotta watch out for Big D. I'm staying up, I'm not going to and I close my eyes.
Oh shit! Is Sean alive or no? I'm guessing not.
I found his shotgun, so I don't know about that.
Oh my god.
Oh. Fuck me! It's still killing! Oh my god, I'm gonna get raped.
Sean, that was
Please don't rape me, please don't rape me.
Wait for me! Did they at least grab the shotgun?
I don't think so. I had it, and then I panicked and ran into the mud. Then he...
Oh, Ben's got a friend.
It's hitting me. Take off,
What
dude, just take
the
off.
fuck? Oh my god, we're all dead. What the fuck? Oh my god, what happened? What happened? What the fuck?
Oh my god!
What the fuck? Oh my god!
Holy shit.